Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the puzzle page of Saturday, January the 25th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles is remaining. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars binary. This will be number 9971. Wow. We have 20 puzzles. 29 puzzles left. Well, actually 30 puzzles. Then it will be an end. Yeah. Okay, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no. There no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1, double ones, here no, there no. Well, and now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can mean O, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to wait. About there. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Doubles, here one, there one. Doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. We have here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules of this can be one. This should be no. Double O's here, one there, one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, one there, one. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's here, one there, one. Double ones here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 and. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, one, there, one. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. We solve it again, and I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.